Hi friends, today we have Hemant Babu with us. Thank you Hemant. And he's here to share his learning journey and most importantly his suggestions for the next batch of students who come after him. Thank you Hemant for taking the time.
Thank you sir, for this opportunity.
So can you give us a background about your education, where you studied, when you graduated and things like that?
Yes, sir, I studied from SRK Engineering College, which is located in Bhimavaram. Yeah, and I graduated in 2020 in the stream of information technology, and that's it.
Oh, okay, okay. So did you study computer science?
Yes, information technology is IT branch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very similar to
Very
CS.
similar to Simulus. Yes,
So
yes.
what was your learning experience from the whole applied gate course?
Yes. First of all, I would like to thank all the applied team and you because you have done a phenomenal support for my preparation, sir. And the first thing I have to mention is when we raise a query about anything, any question, we will get the response within maximum of 1 day. That will be more impressive. When I use it, I appeared in 2020 of GATE, sir. In that situation, I don't know about this GATE applied, sir. In the last moment, I used to get know about it, and I wrote only all India mock test 6, and I did perform only some 50 plus scores. So in the final exam also, I just saw 1 or 2 questions which was same in the all India mock test 6, and then that just came in the final exam.
Okay.
I thought that time I was very bad. I don't know about this. So you don't have any promotions, and I just saw it in a comment of one person. All India mock test 6 will be live in few days. Take it. That will be more helpful.
So in 2020, you only took a mock India test?
Only one mock India test.
And then you went to the exam?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what was your preparation like for 2021?
Yes, I started my preparation in this lockdowns actually. When this lockdown came, I started my during revision. I started from March, and I again revised the lectures. I again watched the lectures from you, sir, from August, and it took me nearly 3 months. And then I started to writing test series. And whenever I had any queries, I used to mail them, and I will get a response within 1 or 2 days, maximum of 1 day, sir. That will be very impressive actually. And most likely there are some questions which were very impressive, like TOC CD, and there is a Little Indian question in GATE 2021, sir. Actually, I didn't see that question in any of the previous years and in any of the test series. I just enrolled for another test series, but you used to write only 1 mock or 2 mocks, because I found that some of the questions were changing values in the previous year questions. I don't felt good, and coming to the applied, it was very impressive. Every question has its own importance.
It is mentors like Subbarao who put in thousands of hours of effort
Yes,
to
sir.
design each question very carefully.
Yes, sir.
I remember the Little Indian,
Yes,
Big
sir.
Indian question.
When I saw
It was designed very carefully based on exercise problems at top universities and exercise problems in textbooks.
yes, sir.
So very nice. So during this whole preparation, you're dropping a whole year, right, for this preparation?
Yes, sir. I dropped it.
So how much effort were you putting in on day-to-day basis? How many hours of effort were you putting in?
Actually, if we concentrate only to the subject, when we concentrate, it will be enough to 4 to 5 hours a day, sir. I used to study only 4 to 5 hours. I used to manage the time, and I used to go to ground and play something, and I did all the activities.
So you had both
So as
studying
a-
and also some
yeah.
form of stress busting,
Yes,
playing,
yeah,
etc.
yes, sir.
Good.
Yeah, that helped me a lot for stress buster also.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So when you started, probably you're spending 4 to 5 hours a day.
Yes, sir.
But as you came closer to the examination,
Yes.
how much effort were you putting in closer to the examination?
From the end of December, I used to study for nearly 8 to 9 hours a day, sir. Writing the mocks take at least 3 hours, that will be, and analyzing it will take at least 1 hour, 1 to 2 hours it will take. That only consumes 5 hours. And coming to the revision, we have to do every day 2 or 3 subjects. That is for sure, sir.
So when you were preparing for GATE 2021, since you're dropping in a year,
Yes, sir.
was there some pressure on you? Because
Yes, sir, a lot of.
SRK Engineering College is a
Yes.
good engineering college
Yes,
in
sir.
Bhimavaram.
Yes, sir.
So was there some pressure, and how did you manage that pressure?
Yes, sir. Actually I got a job, sir. Actually, I just rejected it and I sat in GATE only,
Okay.
completely. There was a lot of pressure from the college side and from home also.
I can imagine that.
Yeah, this is the only thing I had to do.
But how did you convince everybody, especially your family, that this is the right thing for you?
I said that I can do, just you be chill. I always used to tell this, I can do it. You be cool, I'll do it. And when I saw the lectures in GATE applied, I was very confident that I can do this. Any question I can solve after that. and linear algebra is very, very ultimate, sir. That was, I found it.
So by what time did you finish all the subjects once?
Actually, it took nearly 3 months to complete all the subjects, along with revision and PYQ, sir.
So in 3 months you watched all the videos thoroughly, finished it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And then you started mostly practice of the question papers.
Yes, sir. Every day I used to revise the subjects. Every day I used to revise one subject, at least one subject, and then PYQs of the subject, and I prepared a short notes of that.
Very good.
Yeah, and after that, after the 10 subjects, I used to prepare a schedule for every month, sir.
Oh, okay, very good. Very
Yeah, I used to prepare a schedule. According to that schedule, I used to manage the time and things. Like we have to swap from one subject to subject. That will be helpful, sir, in the gate, because we don't get only TOC questions linely, CD questions linely.
There is no point spending 2 months on one subject.
Yeah.
It's better to go from one
Yes,
subject
sir.
to other subject.
Yeah, I study 2 hours one subject and swap from another subject.
Okay.
That will
So
be
how
one.
did you leverage some of the mentorship that we provide
Yes, sir.
in terms of doubt clarification or in terms of a call in case you are
Yes,
low and
yes.
things like that? Did
Yes.
you use some of that?
Yes, sir, I use it. Actually, I thought that I wrote enough tests, and I was just revising the things, only the notes, and I got a call from mentors, sir. They told me, why didn't you attend the test? I said that I had done enough. I think it's waste of time. Then they told, it's not a waste of time. It will build your concepts more and more. So you try to do anything at least one for a day. And I did it. I can't do it, sir. That helped a lot.
But did you get stuck with any concept during your whole learning journey, and how did you get it resolved from the mentors?
Yes, sir. In 1 or 2 subjects, I stuck in some concepts. When I stuck in, I just mailed the gate applied, and within 1 day, I just received a call, and they clarified me. They used to talk 1 to 2 hours. I have to appreciate that patience, actually.
Yeah, I know Subbarao is like hype of patience.
Yes,
like
yes.
he'll sit with you till the time you're 100% sure that you have understood.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes.
That's the most surprising thing, actually.
Good. I'm very happy about it.
Yes.
So what suggestions will you give to other students very similar to you who are not taking a job offer,
Yes.
who are quitting a whole year to prepare for GATE?
Yes.
What suggestions will you give them?
Yeah, when one individual is trying to want to crack GATE, it is possible for everyone to crack GATE. Once you completely involve in it and completely focus on it. And one main thing I have to suggest, sir, don't build their own concepts. Stick to the faculty, what they are saying. You have to trust on them. Once you trust them, it will be very helpful, sir. If we build our own concepts, that we are in wrong track or we are on right track, we don't know that exactly. There will be ambiguity.
Yeah, it's possible to get
Yeah.
lost because each
Yeah.
subject is so big.
Yeah, yes, sir. Lecturers will refer the textbooks, and they will tell about all the things. So one has to trust them. One has to keep the faith on them. That will be more helpful, sir.
Cool. So any suggestions you have for applied GATE course to improve ourselves for the next batch of students?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have to mention thing like this. I have found 1 or 2 mock tests somewhat difficulty.
From applied GATE?
Yeah, one mock test, I think that will be that is difficult. I thought that is helpful for being the worst case. I got this year I attended for set 2. So the paper was, I felt lengthy.
You got set 2, which is lengthier.
Yes. Actually, I used to manage time. So if you get some more tests which is more difficult and lengthy, so that will be more helpful.
We
for
will surely
students.
do that for the next batch.
Yes.
Not just in our test series, but
Okay.
also in our solved problems, in our practice problems. We'll try to add a few more harder questions or
Yes,
modify
yes.
existing questions to make them harder.
Yes, sir.
So that students are well prepared, like your set 2, right?
Yes,
Which is
yes.
lengthier and trickier.
Yes.
We will surely do that.
Yes, sir.
And any questions you have for us?
I just don't have any questions, sir.
Again, please reach out to us. If you have
Yes,
any
sir.
questions or any other suggestions to improve the course, feel
Yes,
free
sir.
to reach out to
Yes, sir,
us.
sure. Sir.
So, any other suggestions you have for other students who are preparing, or anything that you want to shed light on?
The thing is, just I want to say only these things, sir. Just believe in the lecturers, what they say, stick to them. That will be helpful, and that is the only thing you have to do. And write more practice tests. And if you enroll for applied GATE, that will be more helpful according to me. Actually, I felt it, sir.
Cool. Thank you very much. Thank you
Thank
for
you,
your
sir.
suggestions, and Thanks for taking the time
Yes, sir. Thank you,
to be here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.